If basic troubleshooting doesn't restore the self-clean function, it's time to consult a certified HVAC technician. Error codes like E5 or E9 often indicate sensor failures or refrigerant leaks, which require professional diagnosis and repair. Attempting DIY refrigerant handling can void your warranty and poses safety risks. Statistics show 25% of self-clean failures stem from sensor faults, highlighting the need for expert inspection. Looking ahead, Carrier and other manufacturers are integrating AI diagnostics and IoT into AC units for predictive maintenance. Future models like the Carrier Infinity 20 incorporate UVC light for enhanced self-cleaning. By 2030, AI-driven systems are projected to reduce self-clean failures by 30%. In the meantime, use Carrier's app for initial troubleshooting, as 80% of issues can be resolved without a service call. Regular maintenance and timely professional intervention are key to keeping your AC's self-clean mode running smoothly.